Our school, Michael Nagar Shikhaniketan, government-sponsored co-ed English medium higher secondary, has taken an excellent initiative in conducting online classes through YouTube channel. Even in this pandemic situation, our school did not step aback in providing and enhancing knowledge to the students. So, it's a request to the viewers, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Class 7. Now, I will teach you about algebraic formula. Here, first time a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Here a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Okay? So, if we multiply a square plus ab plus BA plus B square. Okay. So, this is form a square plus 2ab plus B square. Clear? It is a geometrical proof. Let us take this is a square. Each side is taken a. So, its area will be a square, because we know that the area of the square is the side square. Now, let us take the length b, this length, the blue color. So, the total length of the side a plus b. Okay. If we make a square with the help of the side a plus b, we get this form. So, here it is a plus b. Clear? If we produce this side up to this side, so length is a plus b and breadth is b. So, its area will be a plus b into b. Okay. Here the rest rectangle, this side is a, because this side equal to this side equal to this side, and breadth is b. So, its area will be AB. So, the total area of the square, this area a square plus this area a plus b into b, clear, and the rest area AB. Now, this will form a square plus AB plus b square plus AB, clear. So, this will make a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square will be a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay. Now, the least of the formula is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Others formula, a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Okay. But how? If we expand this, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 2ab, cancel 2ab and 2ab, a square plus b square. So, a plus b whole square minus 2ab, this is another formula. A minus b whole square plus 2ab. If we expand this, a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab, look that a square plus b square. Is it okay? Next formula. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. If we expand a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, it will a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we open the bracket, in front of the bracket there is no sign. That means here is positive sign. So, when positive sign is in front of the bracket, when you open the bracket, sign remains same. So, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, here a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here it is a minus sign. So, in the bracket all the signs are changes. So, it will be a square plus 2ab minus b square. Okay. That means minus sign will be plus sign and plus sign will be minus sign. Now, if we cancel minus a square plus a square minus b square plus b square, 2ab and 2ab, 4ab. So, 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now, 2 into a square plus b square equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Look at this, a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 2ab and minus 2ab will be cancelled. So, there lies a square plus a square, that means 2a square, and b square plus b square 2b square. If we take common 2, so it will 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. Now, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, a square plus b square, a plus b whole square minus 2ab and a minus b whole square plus 2ab, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square, 2 into, this is the formula. Now, the other formula, a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. How it will form? A plus b plus c whole square equal to a plus b. Let us take one part and another part bc. So, this will form the a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square equal to a square. That means this portion square plus 2ab, 2 into b. This is the portion a plus b taken as a, and the second c taken as b. So, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 2ac plus 2bc plus c square. If we arrange a square, b square, c square, here written a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ca. Okay. Now, I will teach you some example. That means, first time, the first sum is if a equal to 1, given that a equal to 1, 64a square plus 16a plus 1. Find the value of this. Find the value of this expression. If we arrange it as a square form, 8 8s are 64. So, 8a whole square plus 1 means 1 whole square. 16 be arranged 2 into 8a into 1. So, look at this formula, a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, 8a plus 1 whole square. Putting the value of a equal to 1, we have 8 into 1 plus 1 whole square, that means 8 plus 1 whole 8 plus 1 whole square, that means 81. Okay. Now, the next sum, if x plus y equal to if x plus y equal to 5 and x minus y equal to 1, find eight xy into x square plus y square. Now, first time, how do I arrange? Here 4ab equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. If I arrange this 4xy, rest are 2. So, 2 into x square plus y square. What is the formula? Here 4xy means x plus y whole square minus x minus y whole square. 2 into a square plus b square. This will be x plus y whole square plus x minus y whole square. So, x plus y value 5. 5 square minus 1 square, 5 square plus 1 square, that means 20, 5 minus 1, 25 plus 1, 25 square minus 1 square, that means 625 minus 1, that means 624. 25 into 25. There is a big calculation. To make this calculation, how to solve? Easiest process, 25 into 25, 5 5s are 25, okay, right, 5 5s are 25. Here this taken 1, only 1 added to the 2. So, it gives the result 3, 3 2s are 6. Then another example, let us take 75 into 75, 5 5s are 25, 8 is taken, sorry, 7 taken as 8, 7 into 8, 56. 95, 65 into 65, 5 5s are 25, taken 7, 7 into 6, 42. That is the shortest procedure to solve the sum. Clear? Now, the next sum. Next sum is, if 2x plus 1 by x equal to 5, find 4x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, 2x plus 1 by x equal to 5, find the value of 4x square plus 1 by x square. First procedure, 2x plus 1 by x equal to 5, okay, squaring both sides. We have 2x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 5 square. That means 4x square plus 2 into 2x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square equal to 25. Clear? Cancel x, x. So, 4x square plus 4 plus 1 by x square equal to 25. So, 4x square plus 1 by x square equal to 21. 25 minus 4 equal to 21. The another method will be, let us write 4x square plus 1 by x square. 2x square plus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square, what is the formula? A plus b whole square, this is the formula. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. That is a, that is b. So, what is the value of 2x plus 1 by x? Look at this sum. This value is 5. So, it is 5 square minus 4. That means 21. The same answer. Clear? Next sum. 2x plus x plus 1 by 2x x plus 1 by 2x equal to x plus 1 by 2x equal to 2. Find 4x square plus 1 by x square. Here, look at the sum, a question arises. How to solve? 4x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2x whole square plus 1 by x whole square equal to 2x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 by x. But look at this given question. Here given x plus 1 by 2x, but here 2x plus 1 by x. I can write this, but why? There is no value of 2x plus 1 by x. So, we have to arrange this as the form of x plus 2x. Sorry, 2x plus 1 by x. So, here x plus 1 by 2x equal to 2. If we multiply both sides by 2, this gives the result 2x plus 1 by, sorry, if I 2x plus 2 into 1 by 2x equal to 4, cancelling this. So, 4x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 1 by x. So, 4 square minus 4 equal to 4 square minus 4. Is it okay? Now, here x plus 1 by 2x equal to 2. We multiply by 2. It gives the result 2x plus 1 by x equal to 4. So, 4x square plus 1 by x square equal to 2x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab. So, I am writing the wrong its value. No, it is already correct. 4x plus 1 by x equal to 4 equal to 12. Now, the another way to solve the problem. 2x plus 1 by x equal to 4, squaring both sides. 4x square plus 2 into 2x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square equal to 16. 4x square plus 4 plus 1 by x square equal to 16. So, 4x square plus 1 by x square equal to 16 minus 4 equal to 12. Clear? This sum is very, very important. Now, the next sum is a square plus b square equal to 5ab. Prove that a square plus b square by a square equal to 23. How to prove this problem? Here, LHS, that means the left hand side, we taken left hand side, a square plus b square by a square, it will be a plus b whole square plus b by a whole square equal to a plus b. This is a taken and this is b. A plus b whole square minus 2 into a by b into b by a. So, this value is, what is the value? So, we have to arrange this a square plus b square equal to 5ab. Divide both sides by ab, a square by ab plus b square by ab equal to ab cancel 5. So, it gives the result a by b plus b by a equal to 5. So, putting the value of 5, understand, this is the simplest process to solve the problem.
Subscribe. Click on the bell. Like, comment, share.